What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel Coupon Box, and here I am going to share Doordash coupon code which is working right now, and you will get amazing discount. If you are searching for Doordash coupon code, you are in the right video because you can use that coupon code in all over country. You just need to add this coupon code on the checkout page. So if it is working for you, just appreciate my work by hitting that like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you want more videos on that topic, simply comment down below so I'll create a new video for you. So here is the four fresh Doordash coupon code which is working right now, and you can use it and get amazing discount according to their terms and conditions. So here we go.